Welcome to the Files as Content tutorial. In previous versions of dotCMS, when you uploaded a file, you didn't have the ability to create additional metadata or fields on the file. You can do that now in 2.0. When you create a new file, you're really just creating a new piece of content. Let me show you how it works. I'm here on the website browser under the localhost host. On the Files folder, I'm going to right-click, click on New, Image or File. And here we have a new pop-up window. On this pop-up window, you can see that we have different types of file assets. These are just different structures associated with the type file that we created in the system. By default, you'll have document, file, asset, and video. And I created a new one called My Document to show you how it works. I'm going to check the file asset first, which is the default. Once I'm here, you can see that this is the same page that we use when we create new content, because that's what we're doing. I'm going to select a file, any file here on my computer. It's uploading it, and I'm going to save and publish it. You can save it or you can assign a workflow. You can do the same actions that you could do before with your content. Once it's saved, I'm just going to right click on it again to show you how we still keep the same properties and features that we had for images in 1.9. In here we have, let me open this in a separate tab. In here we have the URL to our image. As you can see here, we have a friendly URL for our image. Even though this is content now, we still have a nice URL to get to the image. We also, if we edit the image, I'm going to click here on grayscale and copy this here on my browser. You can see here is my image, also a nice URL, no query string on the URL. So we still keep the same functionality we had for images in 1.9, even though now we're creating content. I'm going to go back to my website browser and I'm going to show you how now we can use a different structure called My Document that has more fields in it. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to show you the structure. I click on structures, and then on this drop down we have a new type of structure. We have the file, which we didn't have before, and you can see here we have document, file asset, my document, and video. I'm going to click here my document, and you can see we added a published date, tags, author, description. These 4 fields are fields that we added new to this structure. You can add a new one the same way you can add new fields to a structure in dotCMS. I'm going to add just a text area here. Comments, for instance. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to put those below, below the description here. Save that. And I'm going to go back to my website browser. And then from here, I'm going to try to upload that file to show you how that works. I'm going to click on image or file again. And now, instead of selecting the file asset, I'm going to select my new structure called My Document. Now you can see here we have our new fields. We have the published date, tags, the author, description, and the comments field that I added. I'm going to select here another file just to show you how it works. And I'm going to save and publish again. Now you can see we have my 2 images are here. Why do we need to add more fields to a file? If you wanted to build something in dotCMS before and adding metadata or new fields to your files, you couldn't do that. Now, let's say you want to build something, a feature like a document management system. It's very easy to do that in 2.0 by just creating a document structure, adding all of those fields that you need on the document structure, and then creating pull contents on a widget where you're going to pull all of these different files. Also, it allows you to do searches on your content and the metadata that we have on the file. Now I'm going to show you how to do multiple files. If I right click here and I click new, multiple files, you'll see that we have a new UI on how to upload multiple files at once. That makes it very easy and simple in the system. Here I also have to select the type of file that I need to upload. I'm going to go with file asset again, and here I'm going to select the files, do this, I'm going to do this, this, and this, for instance. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show me the different types of document that I have and the sizes. I'm going to click here on Save and Publish, and this is going to upload my 3 files to the Files folder. You can see here now I have the file here. And if I click on a file, then the file has the information already filled out. This is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.